Morning, students. So now let us continue with the poem Some People Laugh, Some People Cry. So we had completed the first three passages of the poem, and now let us continue, and we'll be doing the fourth paragraph now. A man wanders about carrying ladders. So in this poem, he has given us a series of images. So he has given us many images. Images, the matlab ki the word pictures. So pictures that are painted with the help of words. So in this poem, he has given us one image after another, and so one image follows the other, and there seems to be no link and no relation between these images. They seem to be unrelated, and there seems to be no connection. So he has followed the you may say the surrealistic technique in this poem, just like in a dream. One image follows the other, and there seems to be no connection. So what he seems to suggest is that it is a chaotic world, कि chaos हैगा दुनिया दे विच, कुछ भी order च नहीं है, ते that is why एक image तो बाद दूसरी आ रही है, no connection, and absurdity marks the modern life. बेतुकापन है, nothing seems to be having any valid reason. Life ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ it is marked by suffering, struggle. Anyhow, now let us continue. देखो ਇਹਨੂੰ ਹੁਣ. A man wanders about carrying ladders. He has goose eggs in his bag. So there is image of another man who is just wandering about, and he is carrying ladders, and he has goose eggs in his bag. So ਉਹਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ the bag ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੈਗੇ, there are the eggs of the goose. He leans his ladder against a wall. So ਕੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪੌੜੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਦੀਵਾਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਖੜੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ. He climbs the ladder and throws an egg up into the sky. So he climbs the ladder and then he throws an egg up into the sky. So he is the same guy who bought Harish Chandra for a heap of gold that high. Okay, so he's the same guy who bought Raja Harish Chandra for a heap of gold that high. Okay, heap kim the teri. Okay, so this image is that of a trickster who makes fools of people, who is so clever, who is so shrewd. Clear in the this man is just like the saint Vishwamitra, who had befooled, who had appeared in the dream of the king Harish Chandra. Yeah, Harish Chandra, you might be knowing something about him. King Harish Chandra was known for his love for truth. Satyavadi Harish Chandra. Yeah, so ਕੀ ਮੰਨਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ as the story goes, this king was so much in love with truth and fair play, and what happened, this saint Vishwamitra befooled him. ਉਹਨੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਬੇਵਕੂਫ ਬਣਾਇਆ? by appearing in his dream and by asking by asking for the kingdom and for everything that the king possessed. So the king wanted to fulfill his promise, and he even sold his kingdom, even his wife, his child, and finally himself, just to fulfill his promise that he had given in a dream to Saint Vishwamitra. So this saint befooled the king into giving away his everything. Okay, so in the same way, this man befools people. He is a trickster. he tricks people into giving their everything. So again, an image of the modern life where such thugs are in abundance, where such tricksters are there in every nook and corner. Okay, so मतलब उन्हें अलग अलग पहलू दसे है मॉडर्न लाइफ के. ਹੁਣ नेक्स्ट देखो, नेक्स्ट इज a man investigates holes, they differ in size. So again एक फिर होर एक there is another image of a man who is examining very closely the different holes. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ holes ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜੀ the holes are of different size. So ਇਹ ਵੀ ਕੀ ਹੈਗਾ, holes also portray emptiness, void. Okay, so ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਿਅਕਤੀ ਹੈ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈਗਾ, he is investigating the holes. Okay, so he is basically, you may say, he is investigating the hollowness, vacuity and emptiness in the lives of the modern people, particularly in urban areas. So this man is looking very closely, he is examining very closely the boredom, the hollowness, khalipana jada, the vacuity, again vacuity is from the word vacuum, and emptiness in the lives of the urban people. Then next one dekho ke so he examines these holes. Next dekho, a man offers anarchy for sale. There is another man who is trying to spread anarchy. So anarchy da matlab ki hunda hai, arajakta, lack of order, lack of law and order. Clear, जिथे के हर पासे की हैगी अराजकता फैली हुई है, किते भी हर पासे वायलेंस है, किते भी कोई नियम नाल नहीं चल रहा. सो ये वाला जिहड़ा व्यक्ति है की करदा है, समाज दे विच अराजकता फैला रहा है, वायलेंस फैला रहा है, लैक ऑफ लॉ एंड ऑर्डर फैला रहा है. He appears to be wading in space, searching for something with his long arms. So ਇੱਦਾਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਕਿਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਲੱਭ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਇੱਥੇ ਉਹ ਕਿਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੱਭ ਰਿਹਾ, he is looking for those young people whom he might beguile with the help of his oratory, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਲਗਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਸਮਾਜ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਰਾਜਕਤਾ, ਸਮਾਜ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਤਬਾਹੀ ਫੈਲਾਣ. So he is looking for those people with his long arms. Clear, again ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅਨਾਰਕੀ ਹੈ, ਇਟ ਹੈਜ਼ ਲੌਂਗ ਆਰਮਸ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਲੰਬੇ ਹੱਥ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਮਤਲਬ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅਨਾਰਕਿਸਟ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਆਪਣਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵਾਇਲੈਂਸ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅਨਾਰਕੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਫੈਲਾਉਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਢੰਗ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੈ, ਐਂਡ ਦੇ ਹੈਵ ਮੈਨੀ ਰਿਸੋਰਸਿਸ ਐਜ਼ ਵੈਲ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲ ਕਈ ਜ਼ਰੀਏ ਵੀ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੈ. ਸੋ they have long arms. This man has long arms, who is an anarchist. He eats nothing but the giant lemon found in the lakes of blood in the hearts of the young. So he seems to be encouraging bloodshed, violence in the society, and he is more on the lookout of he is more on the lookout for the young people whom he may you may say beguile, who he may make fools of, ਪਿੱਛੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਲਗਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ with the help of his good oratory, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ speech ਦੇਣ ਦੀ ਉਹਦੀ capacity ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ, that too only once a day. so ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਇੱਕ ਲੈਮਨ ਖਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਦਿਨ 'ਚ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ. A man spends time singing Rag Khamboji. It is not unnecessary to remind you that he has a lute with him. He has fingers only to legislate the ragas sung at appropriate times. So the paragraph we have just finished before this one is that of the anarchy, the lack of law and order. That is again a part of the modern life. And it is such an ugly world where the innocence of the young people is taken advantage of. Now we ਹੁਣ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਾਲਾ ਪੈਰਾ ਦੇਖੋ, a man spends time singing Rag Khamboji. it is not unnecessary to remind you that he has a lute with him. So the next image is that of an artist, a singer, a classical singer who is singing Rag Khamboji, and he has a lute with him. He has a musical instrument with him. He has fingers only to legislate the ragas sung at appropriate times. So it seems that he has fingers only to play his lute. So ਇੱਦਾਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਦੀਆਂ ਉਂਗਲੀਆਂ ਸਿਰਫ ਆਪਣਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੰਗੀਤ ਦਾ ਵਾਦ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਵਜਾਉਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਹੀ ਹੈਗਾ. So and he has great knowledge of the ragas that are sung at appropriate time. So as you might be knowing, even the ragas have they are to be sung at appropriate times. So some ragas are for the morning, some ragas are to be sung in the evening. So at their touch stars catch fires, lakes on the moon come to a boil. So when he plays with his fingers on the lute, ਤਾਂ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਮਿਜ਼ਾਜ ਹੀ ਬਦਲ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਕੁਦਰਤ ਦਾ ਵੀ. ਇਵਨ ਸਟਾਰਸ ਕੈਚ ਫਾਇਰ, ਸਿਤਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਅੱਗ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ. ਲੇਕਸ ਔਨ ਦਾ ਮੂਨ ਕਮ ਟੂ ਅ ਬੋਇਲ. ਸੋ ਈਵਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਚੰਦ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਝੀਲਾਂ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਉਬਲਣ ਲੱਗ ਪੈਂਦਾ. ਇਟ ਮੀਨਸ ਦ ਆਰਟ हैज़ सो मच ऑफ पावर कि ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਲਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੰਨੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸ਼ਕਤੀ ਹੈ. ਵਿੰਟਰ ਬਿਗਿਨਸ ਟੂ ਬਡ. ਵਿੰਟਰ ਬਿਗਿਨਸ ਟੂ ਬਡ ਮੀਨਸ ਕਿ unusual things happen. Generally there is no greenery during the time of winter. No new life sprouts even in the vegetation, even in the plants. So ਉੱਥੇ ਹਰ ਪਾਸੇ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਠੰਡ ਕਰਕੇ ਹਰ ਚੀਜ਼ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਪੱਤੇ ਗਿਰ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ. ਪਰ the art has so much of power. That man's music has so much of power that even winter begins to bud. ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ even buds ਮਤਲਬ flowers, ਡੋਡੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ flowers ਦੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਉੱਪਰ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ even in the times of winter. ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਰਟ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕੁਛ ਵੀ ਕਰਵਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ. ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ impossible ਹੈ even those may be accomplished with the help of art. So what winter begins to bud and my heart begins to offer marriage to the butterfly. And his even he comes in a romantic mood. Even he is in a romantic mood after listening to that musician, and he even offers marriage to the beautiful girl. So winter begins to bud. So unusual things happen that are quite out of the normal. A man puts camphor in his eyes and lead on his cheeks. So you see another image of an artist ਕਿ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ, ਆਪਣੀ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਨੇ ਕੈਂਫਰ ਅੱਖਾਂ 'ਚ ਪਾ ਲਿਆ. And red lead on his cheeks. So even he puts the red thing on his cheeks. So even he is an artist, or as we will read further, or he pretends to be an artist. He is a poet. So another image is that of the poet. He interprets the messages he receives in secret code and works for the Air Force. But here the second image is that of a man who only pretends to be an artist. In reality, he is working for the Air Force. Here he is trying to decipher the secret messages of the Air Force of the neighboring country or another country. So ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈਗਾ? In reality, he is deciphering the secret messages of the army, Air Force, and he is the one big reason for the fall of prices in the market, and he is the reason why the prices of the shares fall. In other words, he can affect everything greatly. ਕਿ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਅਸਰ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ. even he can make the prices of the shares fall. ਸੋ ਹੁਣ ਦੇਖੋ ਇਹਨੂੰ, ਹੁਣ ਅਗੇਨ ਇਹ ਕੀ ਹੈਗਾ, ਅਗੇਨ ਹੀ ਇਜ਼ speaking of the ugliness that has crept into the art. Yes, so even the artists like musicians, poets, they have even become corrupt. कि वो काम की कर रहा है असल च जसूसी दा कर रहा है क्लियर और वो की कर रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा असर कर रहा है. So the poet perhaps implies that even the art has become corrupt. Did it even because of, you may say, the art has become materialistic. Clear कि ਜਿਹੜੇ आर्टिस्ट ਹੈਗੇ ਉਹ ਪੈਸੇ ਕਮਾਉਣ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੱਗੇ ਹੋਏ. That is why they are not bothered about the beauty, the purity of art. So they can even compromise with that. So they do not even think twice before you may say before even they are degrading the art. ਉਹਦੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ standard ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਨੀਚੇ ਗਿਰਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੈ. So now I make an end and